photographed 6 players of Juventus for Jeep, and it was for me an amazing experience to be amongst 6 of the best football players in the world, and to have them, you know, playing around, sitting around with the Jeep Grand Cherokee. The hardest part was probably showing everything in the best light. You have 6 moving objects and 1 car. But I think in the end, when you see the results, you will see that it was a very successful shoot and a lot of fun. The opportunity to work with them and the car was interesting, a challenge for sure. But the energy was good, and it was really a great day.